What is up, you guys? Today we're going to be talking about swing trade strategies. If you're new to this channel, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new. We're currently at 4,000 subscribers and we're trying to hit 100K this year. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about all my strategies and my exact plays that I do as well. So I post all my plays on my Instagram, on my live story. That way you guys can get the exact same entrance as me, because on YouTube sometimes I have to edit a video and I won't give you guys the exact same entrance. Maybe the price might go up. So if you want the exact same plays, make sure to follow me on Instagram as well. I'm going to go on the laptop really quickly and show you guys exactly what I look for when I want to get into swing trades. Okay, so I'm going to give you guys my exact same strategy when I want to swing trade stocks. I actually try to keep it as simple as possible, and I just use very basic strategic plans, and that way you guys can do the exact same way. So what I like to do is I like to put Fibonacci level in between the high and the low of the stock, and then I use that to find the support and resistance and what I predict that we're going to see the low and where we're going to bounce off of. Because I did the exact same thing with Zillow. I bought it at $48 right at the low. Right when it touched that, it bounced off. I could be wrong because it could break that support level and drop lower, but I was able to get in at the perfect entry, and it climbed up from there with a good earnings report. If it had a bad earnings report, it could have dropped below that, but it has dropped so much that I kind of took that risk and I bought it at the low, and I'm currently up just long term on the stock is 20%. I'm holding it long term. I actually bought that stock. I'll actually show you guys exactly how you can do some better swing trades with some options and vertical spreads. So we have here Square, and I posted this Fibonacci level weeks back before it even dropped to this level, and I was wanting it to touch, let's see, I had it at $98, I believe, the Fibonacci. Actually it says $99.19. It touched $99.50 of the low, but since it touched this, it has not touched it back. I do think we're going to be uptrending. I still think we're bullish in the market. Everything has sold off significantly, but Square was at the high of 270. It's dropped so much. It's a great time to be buying long term, and if you want to do some swing trade options, that you can do as well. So I'm going to show you guys my exact plays and what I think we should be doing with Square. So I personally like to do vertical spreads, and I'm going to show you guys how you can do the exact same thing. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I think, okay? So you can do the exact same thing if you want to do a vertical spread as well. So we're going to go far out because I'd rather be safe than sorry, and I'm going to make a lot more money like this. So September 16th, I'm going to go up, and you can see here, I do think we're going to hit 171. It's far out, but I'm gonna give it the expiration date until September 16th. So we're gonna go here and we're gonna put sell a call, and then you're gonna buy the 160 call. You're gonna sell the 170 and buy the 160. Click that. You can see here, if you bring this up, you can see the max loss we have is $125, and the max profit we can get for this is $895. I'll take that bet any day. I do think we're still bullish in the market. We had a huge sell-off, but all the indicators are still showing that we're bullish. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do exactly. I'm gonna buy 20 options of this, and usually for me, I don't get filled at the mid. I'm gonna put 3 cents more just so I get filled. I'm in this play as well. So 125, 6, 7, 8. Let's put 128. So it shows here the max loss I can lose is $2,560. If I'm correct on this trade, I'm gonna make $17,000. That's a great bet in my opinion. That's almost a 9-to-1 ratio. So you don't have to always be right when trading stocks or doing swing trades. When doing options, you just have to have the odds in your favor. So let's do this. So we have until September filled. Perfect. Alright, I'm all filled for that. We have until September for this. So the reason why I'm so bullish in this is because it shows all the indicators are showing that we're really oversold. The RSI is showing that we're oversold. It bounced off this $99 level, which is perfect. I really wanted to get into the $99 level, but I kind of missed it. It's okay, and it's showing that it hasn't broke below it. If it breaks below $99, I would probably buy really quick puts and do like almost a very fast day trade, swing trade type of play. So I do think we're going to be bouncing up for this and hitting that 170 mark. I have it, you can see here, all the way until September. The RSI is showing that we're extremely oversold. The high of this was 290 and the fib is perfect. It's playing out perfect. So I do think that we're going to be hitting 70 most likely, maybe sooner than September, but I put September because, you know, I'm still bullish on Square. Even though we're extremely downtrended, but you can see with the 30-day indicator of the EMA, we're extremely oversold. I like to see this, you know, like if it's up here, we're gonna retest it to get back on this trend. It is downtrending right now, but you can see it how oversold it is. Usually when it's really oversold, it bounces back up. That's just how it goes. Like if something shoots up really, really fast, it's gonna come down really, really fast. It's like a rubber band. You have to think of it in that logic. So I do think we might hit 170. It's a 9-to-1 ratio, so I'm willing to take that bet. So another stock we're gonna be talking about that has been extremely oversold, that is bouncing off support right now, is Shopify. With this Fibonacci, it is bouncing right on this level. So if you wanted to get into Shopify, right now would be a perfect time to get in. It was trading at the high of 1,762. If it breaks below this, I wouldn't get in it, but I do think we're gonna bounce off this level. I may be wrong, I may be right, but I do think it's a great opportunity. Just showing how much we're oversold. The RSI is showing we're oversold. I would like to see the MACD starting to, you know, cross over, but I do think we're extremely oversold on this stock. I was able to catch Zillow. Let me show you guys Zillow exactly. On the fib, I was precisely able to catch it right at this level. I bought trades for it because I do this long before I touched any of these levels, but I was able to load up long-term positions on Zillow at this price target at the perfect entry. So if you guys want these exact same plays as me, make sure to follow me on Instagram. I'll post all my plays in the exact same place that I do as well. And another long-term company that I personally think is going to do great, that hasn't been uptrending at all, is Rocket. Rocket's a great company. I've been loading up positions here, and I currently think it's still a good long-term buy. I wouldn't do options on this. I would personally just long-term invest on this company because they're making so much money every quarter and they're growing every quarter. This is a great long-term company that I personally suggest you to get into as well. Hopefully this video helps you out, guys. I like to personally make it really simple and use the RSI, the MACD, the EMA, and just the Fibonacci levels to get exact plays and swing trades that I want to get into. So if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new to this channel. If you want the exact same plays, follow me on Instagram as well. If you have any comments, concerns, questions, make sure to leave them in the comment section down below. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.